Cash is making a comeback in the UK. Despite the rise of digital payments, more people are turning to cash to manage their finances, especially during these tough economic times. This trend is evident in the increased use of cash for transactions, particularly for budgeting purposes. However, the growing reliance on card payments has led to significant fees for retailers. To address this issue, the BRC is urging the payment systems regulator to implement reforms and promote the adoption of open banking as a more cost-effective alternative. As the UK payment landscape continues to evolve, it's clear that a mix of cash, cards, and digital solutions will likely shape the future of transactions in the country. Thanks for tuning in.